Wood log furniture and crafts hold a uniquely grounding place in the world of modern interior home decor. In an era increasingly marked by digital distraction and mass-produced convenience, the use of raw, organic materials offers not only aesthetic relief, but a meaningful return to authenticity. Crafting furniture and decor from natural wood logs is more than just a stylistic choice. It is a movement that reflects sustainability, character, and personal story. It is a growing opportunity for artisans and creators to reconnect homes with the essence of nature, while also building income and purpose, one meaningful project at a time. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of wood log furniture and crafts project ideas for modern interior home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At the heart of log furniture lies a sense of permanence and strength. Unlike synthetic materials or fragile composites, a single slab of wood contains age rings that speak of decades, sometimes centuries, of growth. When a craftsman chooses a log for a coffee table or carves out a rustic bench, they're not just designing for visual impact, they are preserving a legacy. This deeper connection makes each piece of log furniture a statement, not only of style but of soul. In modern homes where industrial steel, polished marble, and glass dominate, wood log pieces provide balance. They soften the space, offering warmth and grounding. The creative opportunity in working with wood logs is vast. Every log is different in shape, grain, and texture, challenging the craftsman to adapt with each piece. It's an invitation to slow down, observe, and respect the material's natural rhythm. This organic unpredictability is what makes the outcome so rewarding. No two chairs, stools, or tables are ever the same, even if made from the same tree. This uniqueness is highly valued in interior design today, where homeowners seek to personalize their spaces with items that can't be found on every retail shelf. There is also a growing market for log crafts beyond furniture. Candle holders, coat racks, plant stands, rustic picture frames, or lamp bases, all can be derived from sections of a single tree. When carefully sanded and sealed, these pieces can retain their bark, their character, and even their imperfections, which are celebrated as part of the design. They tell a story that speaks to modern sensibilities about craftsmanship, environmental respect, and living with intention. What makes log furniture particularly powerful in the decor world is its versatility. Whether a home is styled in bohemian chic, Scandinavian minimalism, industrial, or traditional farmhouse, there is always room for a well-designed log accent. A side table made from a solid round of cedar, polished but unpainted, fits as well in a sleek loft as it does in a cozy cabin. This broad appeal ensures that creators working with logwood are not confined to a niche audience. They can reach a diverse range of design lovers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. More importantly, for the craftsman, each wood log project becomes a journey of meaningful engagement. Unlike production line assembly, woodworking with logs demands presence. It takes time to strip, treat, and mold each piece. This pace can't be rushed, and that is part of its beauty. In a world addicted to speed, wood log crafting teaches patience and observation. It connects the maker to nature, to history, and to their own creative intuition. The process becomes meditative, an art form that brings peace as much as profit. And yes, profit is a real opportunity here. The demand for sustainable, handcrafted furniture and decor is growing rapidly, especially as consumers turn away from mass production and toward items that reflect values. A simple stool made from a log of white oak can sell at a premium price not because of rarity, but because of story, texture, and quality. Buyers are investing in the human touch, in the hours it took to carve and sand, in the natural beauty that plastic or metal cannot replicate. Moreover, wood log projects open doors to eco-conscious branding. Artisans can highlight their use of reclaimed or responsibly harvested wood, reinforcing sustainability, a top priority for today's design-focused clientele. Marketing the crafts not just as beautiful, but as ethical and enduring becomes part of the appeal. When a buyer knows that the side table in their living room is both functional and eco-friendly, they feel connected to a greater purpose. They become part of a conscious movement through their decor choices. The income potential extends beyond the final product. Workshops, online tutorials, and content creation, especially on platforms like YouTube and Instagram, give woodworkers an opportunity to share their process and build a following. There's something captivating about watching a raw log transform under skilled hands into a breathtaking piece of furniture. Viewers appreciate the transparency of process and are inspired by the craftsmanship. Many go on to become customers or even students. Offering courses, selling templates, or creating downloadable plans adds another stream of income, all stemming from one simple material, a wood log. But perhaps the most important aspect of logwood furniture and crafts is the human connection. When people invite handcrafted wood pieces into their home, they're not just decorating a space, they're anchoring it. They're making a choice to live with intention, to surround themselves with things that breathe character and warmth. In this way, every project completed is not just an object made, it is a part of someone's life story. A bench becomes the place where a child learns to tie their shoes. A log lamp sits beside the bed, lighting quiet moments of reflection. These are the outcomes that matter most. For the craftsman, that knowledge is profoundly fulfilling. To know that your work not only beautifies a space but plays a role in someone's daily life is one of the highest rewards of the trade. This is what makes wood log crafting so much more than a skill. It is a gift, a way of shaping the world, one meaningful project at a time. As homes continue to evolve in style and function, the role of handcrafted logwood furniture remains essential, an enduring testament to what happens when design, story, and nature come together. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood log furniture and crafts project ideas for modern interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.